Welcome to the Ultimate Noodle Lovers Tour. Today, we're embarking on a delicious journey through Vietnam, exploring 21 must-try noodle dishes that span from the vibrant streets of the north to the sun-soaked south, from the rich, aromatic broths of Hanoi to the spicy of the Hue, sweet, bold flavors of Ho Chi Minh City. We'll take you through an unforgettable culinary adventure. Whether you're a noodle aficionado or just looking to discover something new, this tour is your gateway to the heart of Vietnamese cuisine. First, we're heading to northern Vietnam, known for its delicate and balanced flavors. Let's explore 7 iconic noodle dishes from this region. Dish 1. Pho, beef noodle soup. We're starting with the legendary pho, Vietnam's most famous noodle soup. With its aromatic broth, tender beef, and fresh rice noodles, pho is a dish that defines northern Vietnamese cuisine. Dish 2. Bun Cha, grilled pork with vermicelli. Grilled pork with vermicelli is a Hanoi favorite, featuring grilled pork served with vermicelli noodles, fresh herbs, and a tangy dipping sauce. It's a dish full of contrasting textures and flavors. Dish 3. Bun Rieu, crab noodle soup. For a noodle soup with a tangy twist, try crab noodle soup. This dish features a tomato-based broth with crab, tofu, and vermicelli noodles, all topped with fresh herbs. Dish 4. Bun Ok, snail noodle soup. Snail noodle soup is a unique dish featuring snails in a tangy tomato broth, served with vermicelli noodles and fresh herbs. It's a dish full of bold flavors and interesting textures. Dish 5. Bun Thang, Hanoi-style vermicelli soup. Hanoi-style vermicelli soup is a delicate and intricate dish from Hanoi, made with shredded chicken, pork, egg strips, and vermicelli noodles in a clear, aromatic broth. It's a dish that's often enjoyed during festive occasions. Dish 6. Bun Moc, pork ball noodle soup. Pork ball noodle soup is a comforting soup with tender pork balls, mushrooms, and vermicelli noodles, all served in a savory broth. It's a simple yet satisfying dish that's perfect for any meal. Dish 7. Bun Chao Mam Tuom, fermented shrimp paste with vermicelli. For something truly unique, try fermented shrimp paste with vermicelli. This dish features vermicelli noodles, fried tofu, and fresh herbs, all served with a pungent and flavorful fermented shrimp paste. Now let's head to central Vietnam, a region known for its bold and spicy flavors. Here are 7 noodle dishes that you absolutely must try. Dish 8. Bun Bo Hue, spicy beef noodle soup. We're starting with spicy beef noodle soup, a spicy, bold noodle soup from the city of Hue. This dish is packed with rich flavors from lemongrass, chili, and shrimp paste, and it's sure to warm you up with its hearty mix of beef and pork. Dish 9. Mi Quang-style noodles. For something a bit different, try Quang-style noodles, a specialty from Quang Nam. These turmeric-tinted noodles are served in a light broth with a mix of shrimp, pork, and peanuts, all topped with fresh herbs and crispy rice crackers. Dish 10. Khao Lao, Hoi An noodles. Let's head to Hoi An for Hoi An noodles, a dish known for its thick, chewy noodles that are unique to the region. Paired with tender pork, fresh herbs, and crispy rice crackers, this dish is a true taste of central Vietnam. Dish 11. Ban Canh Ca Loc, thick noodle soup with snakehead fish. Thick noodle soup with snakehead fish is a popular dish in central Vietnam, featuring thick noodles made from tapioca or rice flour, served with tender pieces of snakehead fish in a savory broth. It's a comforting and hearty dish that's perfect for a chilly day. Dish 12. Ban Con Nam Pho, thick noodle soup from Nam Pho. Thick noodle soup from Nam Pho is a specialty from the Nam Pho village near Hue, featuring thick, chewy noodles served with shrimp and pork in a thick, flavorful broth. This dish is known for its rich and comforting flavors. Dish 13. Bun Ca La Sua, fish noodle soup with jellyfish. Try fish noodle soup with jellyfish, a noodle soup featuring fish and jellyfish in a light, aromatic broth. The addition of jellyfish gives this dish a distinctive texture and flavor that you won't find anywhere else. Dish 14. Ban Can Cha Ca, thick noodle soup with fish cake. Thick noodle soup with fish cake is a popular dish in coastal central Vietnam, featuring thick noodles and slices of fish cake in a savory broth. The fresh, bouncy fish cakes add a delightful texture to this comforting soup. Finally, let's explore the rich and diverse noodle dishes from southern Vietnam, a region known for its vibrant and flavorful cuisine. Here are 7 noodle dishes you can't miss. Dish 15. Bun Con Trung Bang Thick Noodle Soup. Trung Bang thick noodle soup is a specialty from Trung Bang in the southern province of Tay Ninh. This dish features thick, chewy noodles served in a clear, savory broth with slices of boiled pork and a side platter of fresh herbs. It's a refreshing dish with clean and subtle flavors. Dish 16. Bun Cha Grilled Pork with Vermicelli. Grilled pork with vermicelli is a popular dish in southern Vietnam, featuring juicy, grilled pork served on a bed of vermicelli noodles with fresh herbs, crushed peanuts, and a drizzle of sweet and tangy fish sauce. It's a dish full of vibrant flavors and textures. Dish 17. Mi Quang Braised Duck with Egg Noodles. For something a little more indulgent, try braised duck with egg noodles. This dish features egg noodles served with a braised duck leg in a rich, herbal broth. The duck is slow-cooked to perfection, making the meat tender and flavorful, while the broth is infused with Chinese medicinal herbs, adding a unique depth of flavor. Dish 18. Ho Chi Minh Vang Phnom Penh Noodle Soup. Phnom Penh noodle soup is a Vietnamese take on a Cambodian Chinese noodle soup. It features clear noodles served with a variety of toppings, including shrimp, pork, quail eggs, and a light, fragrant broth. This dish is often enjoyed as a breakfast or a light lunch. Dish 19. Bun Nuoc Leo Fermented Fish Noodle Soup. Fermented fish noodle soup is a specialty from the Mekong Delta, known for its distinctive broth made from fermented fish. The dish is served with vermicelli noodles, fish, shrimp, and slices of pork belly, and is topped with a variety of fresh herbs. It's a dish that's packed with umami and a deep, savory flavor. Dish 20. Bun Mam Fermented Fish Paste Noodle Soup. Fermented fish paste noodle soup is another bold and flavorful dish from southern Vietnam, featuring a rich, dark broth made from fermented fish paste. It's served with noodles, a mix of seafood, pork, and a generous amount of fresh herbs. This dish is not for the faint of heart, but for those who love deep, complex flavors. Dish 21. Hoang Tan Mi Sha Siu Wonton Noodles with Char Siu Pork. Last but certainly not least, we have wonton noodles with char siu pork. This dish is a southern Vietnamese favorite, featuring egg noodles served with wontons and slices of char siu pork in a light, clear broth. The combination of the savory wontons, the sweet caramelized pork, and the springy noodles makes for a comforting and satisfying meal. From the delicate flavors of the north to the bold and spicy, sweet dishes of the central and south, Vietnam's noodle dishes offer a rich and diverse culinary experience. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food adventures.